Hey guys, today I'm going to make some Sloppy Joes in the Instant Pot. So let's apply some pressure. I'm going to use canned Sloppy Joe mix for this, and normally I would just do this right on the stove, but as you can see my ground beef is frozen solid, so it works pretty good to thaw it in the Instant Pot and then just add the sauce. So let me run some warm water over this and see if I can get it out of the package. This is 93% lean, 7% fat ground beef. So, alright, there we go. And I put 1 cup of water in the bottom of the pot. And we'll just put that in the bottom and get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on the pressure cook setting for 30 minutes. The pot just shut off, so now I'm going to release the pressure. And we'll get the lid off. And I'm going to pull that out and drain the water. Now I turn my pot to saute, and I want low heat so I don't burn my sauce. Now I'll just get my meat all broken up here. Hopefully it's thawed. Looks like it is. And the saute setting will help it brown just a little bit more. And once it's all broken up good, I'll add the sauce here. Hardest part of it is getting that meat all broken up. Some pretty lean meat. Probably better add a little bit of salt to that as well. And then can add the sauce. Alright. And I'll just let that sauce, the meat, simmer in the sauce for a few minutes. And we'll try it out. I have one of these Artisanal sausage rolls here. Put my Sloppy Joe meat on there, my Manwich meat, and I put a little bit of Colby Jack cheese on top. Then I'm just going to put this in my toaster oven on toast for a few minutes until the cheese melts and it kind of warms the bread up a little bit. Alright, let's try a bite out of this. These are kind of sloppy. That's why they're called Sloppy Joes. Just get a bite right out of the pan here. Alrighty. Okay. That's good. These are one of my favorite things to make with ground beef. I make these more than hamburgers. Annie showed up. I guess we'll see what she thinks. Are you a Sloppy Joe dog, Annie? Want some Sloppy Joe? Of course. Those are pretty easy to make, but I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.